In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your messages or your chats on Facebook. So if you have your chats on Facebook Messenger and you like just to hide them, but at the same time you don't want to delete them, it is pretty much easy to do so on Facebook. The first thing you need to do is to go to your Facebook account and then go to chats here or Messenger here. And then here you'll be able to see all the chats you have. Now identify the contact you want to hide the chats. For instance, I want to hide this chat so that I can as well retrieve it sometimes back when I need it. To hide it, we need to archive this chat. So to hide it or to archive it, just go ahead and identify the chat and then long press on it. And you'll see we have an option called archive. It is the first option here. So if you go ahead and tap on archive, you'll see it will be removed from my chats. And now it is no longer available among my chats, but it is hidden. So should you want to retrieve it back and maybe chat with this person, it is still pretty much simple. Just head over to Facebook here and then tap on menu. And from here you can see we have an option called archive. So just tap on archive. And under this you can see all the archived chats. These are all the chats that have been hidden. Now to retrieve it or to restore it, it is simple. Just go ahead and long press on it. And then you'll have an option to unarchive it. So if I go ahead and tap on unarchive, now you can see it has been removed from the archive list. And now if I go back to the inbox or my chats, you can see now it has been restored and here it is. So that's how you hide or archive chats on Facebook Messenger app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.